on. We're live.
Hi cookie friends, my name is Larissa and welcome to Lights Camera Cookies. I am the owner of Lights Camera Cookies. We've been around for about 5 years. I have an Instagram account. You can go follow us on Instagram at Lights Camera Cookies and Facebook. And I am so excited because finally we've made a YouTube channel. So excited about that. It's been a long time coming and I'm very happy to be doing this. So the goal for the channel, I want to be able to show you how to make some really cute custom royal icing cookies. I want to show you how, give you some ideas, give you some helpful tips, and just have a lot of fun. And speaking of fun, I have invited a very special friend to be my co-host. His name is Hank, and Hank and I should have said I'm an actress, Hank's an actor. Hank and I both met in some acting classes, and he's out of work and he can't really handle rejection very well, so acting might not be the best business for him, but I wanted to give him another shot and just have fun with my really good friend Hank. So without further ado, Hank.
Yes?
Hank, come on.
Is that my cue?
Yes, when I say Hank, that's your cue. Come on.
I'm here.
This is my very good friend Hank, and I think we're gonna have a really good time doing this show with you guys. And so let's see, what I want to get to here is I want to show you guys how to make some really fun stuff, right? So I'm talking about something as fantastic as him, am I right? Hey, no, you can't eat that.
I wasn't gonna eat it.
Hey, you were gonna eat that. Hey,
no.
You guys, just be patient with us. Just be patient.
This is so stressful.
How is
But
this
I
stressful?
love cookies.
Huh. Oh, that's funny. You guys, I just realized something.
What?
He's a blue monster who likes cookies. You're like the blue monster.
Don't say him.
You're like.
Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Whoa, what's the matter? Whoa, what's the matter? Why are you getting mad? Why are you getting
That
mad?
guy.
You don't like Cookie Monster?
No.
Why?
Everyone used to get us confused.
Oh, like when you were on auditions? and
Yes.
stuff?
They would ask me to start asking to do the alphabet.
Oh. Did you ever try out for Sesame Street? Or I
No.
guess. Well, I guess
No. I'm a hand-up comedian. I don't do kids.
You're a hand-up comedian.
Hand up. I'm a puppet.
Oh, he's a hand-up comedian. That was funny. That was funny, Hank. That was good. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so what have we learned? Don't call Hank Cookie Monster.
No.
No.
I'm the other blue monster.
The other blue monster. All right. And he's a hand-up comedian. And Hank, I'm so happy you're on this show with us. All right, so yeah, I want to show you how to make super cute things like that. How adorable is he? We've also got something like this. I'd love to show you guys how to make something cute like that. Right? You can use these things as party favors, as just a little gift for a family member. So cute.
So cute.
Something like that for a graduation.
Oh, shiny.
Right? Super cute. And here's another one that we had for a graduation. So I want to show you guys how to make things like this. And what's really cool is that coming up, we have our whole holiday season. So like we did this right in time because it is the month of September right now. And do you know what that means?
Back to school.
Oh, no. Well, I mean, yes, back to school, but I mean like, you know, the fun stuff like September, October.
November.
No. September, October means ooh. Ooh. Boo.
Huh.
No. Halloween.
Oh.
Yes. Halloween and
Halloween.
fall and all the autumn fun stuff. I love the colors. I love the fall. I love autumn so much. It is my favorite. I think I like the crispness, the comfy coziness, the spooky movies, the pumpkins, the scarecrows. Oh, that would be fun. Hank, I think for our very first cookie tutorial video, I want to show you guys how to make a... I just said it. Hank, I want to show you guys how to make a scarecrow. How cute would that be? Just something just something fun and fall, and then we can make the pumpkins, and we can get into like Halloween and make bats, and then for Thanksgiving and Christmas and Hanukkah and all of the winter holidays, and we're gonna have so much fun. I want to show you guys how to make so many things. So I just want to say thank you for stopping by, and go follow us on Instagram.
Yes.
Follow us on Facebook.
Click the like button.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Yes. Click the like button. Subscribe. Click the bell for notifications so you don't miss anything that's coming up. I am so excited to be doing this, you guys, and so is Hank.
Yeah.
Look at this, Hank.
I'm so excited.
You got yourself an acting job.
I made it. I finally made it.
You do know you're not getting paid for this or anything, right? I'm not getting paid for this either. So I can pay you in cookies.
Oh, there it is again. Cookies. We'll figure it out.
We will figure it out. All right, you little cookie monster. I couldn't help myself. I'm sorry. All right, you guys. So meet us back here. I want to try to be able to post a video at least once a week for you guys. Haven't quite figured out the day, haven't quite figured out the schedule, but you just bear with us, and we are going to make you some really fun content, really cool cookies. So you guys stay tuned, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we will see you next time.
Next time.
Bye, cookie friends.